This is Donlyn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and this morning we're going to be making French toast sticks. We're going to need 4 pieces of Texas toast, 2 eggs, some butter for cooking, a tablespoon of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a cup of milk, and some syrup for serving. So let's get started. First, we're going to combine our 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, and our tablespoon of sugar and teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to stir until they're fully combined. We're going to set this aside a minute while we cut our bread. I'm going to cut my Texas toast into thirds. I don't know about you, but I love camping and I love cooking good food while we're camping. We're actually camping at Lake Cachuma right now, and it is so nice here. Now we're ready to cook. We're going to heat some butter over medium heat. Now we're going to dip our breadsticks into our egg mixture. We're going to coat both sides. Then we're going to make sure that all the excess drops off before we put it in the pan. We're going to cook our breadsticks on this side for 2 minutes or until golden brown. It's time to turn our French toast sticks. We're cooking ours over a Coleman grill. We've had this Coleman grill over 20 years. It does sometimes cook a little quickly, so you just have to be careful depending on what device you're using to cook outdoors with. We're going to cook these for another 2 minutes on this side or until our egg is thoroughly cooked. There's nothing worse than soggy French toast. I'm cracking up because this little guy is trying to steal our food. Our French toast sticks are done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.